These ASMR videos are blowing up on social media. You've probably seen them on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. People are hooked, and for good reason. These videos are super creative, incredibly satisfying, and designed to grab your attention from the very first second. Most people think these videos are made using Veo3, and yeah, that's true. But here's the surprise. There are free alternatives that can create the same kind of ASMR-style videos. I'll show you 2 AI tools that can do it, and trust me, one of them is an absolute master when it comes to creating these kinds of ASMR videos. Check out this TikTok channel. It's called Wild Whisper. They already have 250K followers and over 6.9 million likes. They've only uploaded a few videos. That just shows how powerful and engaging their content is. One of their videos has gone absolutely viral with over 71 million views. That's insane reach for such a small number of uploads. Clearly, they've tapped into something people can't get enough of. Here's another one blowing up ASMR AI works. Just like Wild Whisper, they've uploaded only few video, but every single one is going viral. It's clear that people are obsessed with this new wave of ASMR content. These channels are proving you don't need tons of uploads to make a massive impact, just the right mix of creativity, timing, and hook. You might be thinking, what if I could make videos like these too and start earning thousands? And honestly, why not? Just watch my video until the end. I will show you how to create viral ASMR videos just like the ones blowing up right now. First, we'll use Chat GPT to generate creative image prompt idea. To get started, first go to the Chat GPT website. Once you're there, click on the Try GPT button to begin using the tool. After the interface loads, locate the prompt box where you can enter text. In that box, you'll need to write or paste a specific prompt. Just comment Veo3 alternative in the comment box, and I'll send you more than 10 detailed prompts to help you create stunning ASMR-style videos. A reference prompt has already been provided to help so ChatGPT can understand what to do. Now, ChatGPT may ask you to provide a reference image. To do this, simply click on the plus icon in the chat interface. This will allow you to upload an image directly. You can either download an image from Google or take a screenshot of what you want to use as a reference. Uploading a good quality image is important. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the image prompt for us, as it helps ensure that the output generated by ChatGPT is accurate and visually aligned with your request. Now, just go ahead and copy the prompt. Now we'll use Leonardo AI to generate the image using the prompt we just copied. Now go to Leonardo AI and click on Get Started. This will take you to the Leonardo dashboard. Once you're there, click on the image icon that will open up the image prompt box, where we'll paste the prompt we generated earlier. Now, paste the prompt into the image prompt box. Next, click on Image Guidance and upload a reference image. This will help Leonardo AI generate a much better and more accurate output. If you don't want it, just ignore it. My suggestion? Use these tricks, they really work. Once the image is uploaded, the next step is to select the aspect ratio. I recommend choosing 9:16, as it works best for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Reels. However, if you prefer, you can select any other aspect ratio that suits your needs or the platform you're targeting. Now click the Generate button. Within just a few seconds, you'll receive 4 amazing images based on your prompt and reference. Alright, next up, let's make a fresh image prompt for a pineapple using ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT, and it will create the prompt for you. This way, you can easily come up with tons of creative image prompt ideas, and ChatGPT will maintain the quality just like before, ensuring consistent, high-quality prompts every time. Now, copy the new prompt and head back to Leonardo AI. Follow the same steps as before, paste the prompt, enable image guidance, and upload a reference image if needed. This will help generate another high-quality visual. Now that we have the image, let's bring it to life just like the ones we saw on that viral TikTok channel. We're going to use Kling AI for this step. Visit the official Kling AI website. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the video option and click on it to proceed. Click on Create Video, then tap the plus icon to upload the image you just generated. In the prompt box, paste the prompt that was created specifically for this video. You can also modify the prompt for different images or use simple descriptive sentences like, "He keeps cutting the glass candy apple into slices with a knife." The camera is still. Under negative prompt, use no cartoon elements, no unrealistic proportions. This helps maintain a clean, realistic look. You'll also find the final prompt in the description box, so you can easily copy or tweak it later. Now click on Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will come to life. If you don't have credits on Kling AI, no worries, you can use Pixverse AI as an alternative. Go to Pixverse AI and click on Generate Video. The platform provides 60 free tokens each day for video generation. Click on the plus icon and upload your generated image. Then paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Turn on auto sound, then just type the sound effect you want, like crunching or knife slicing. Click Generate, and in seconds, your video comes to life with sound and animation.